Wanna know how to silence your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and once you've done that, just simply import any audio that you like. Just simply head towards File, select Import and import any audio. So once you have done that, here you should be seeing your audio file right here. Now, since you want to silence only the selected part of our audio, just simply drag until you find or until you want that part of audio to be cancelled out. So once you've dragged it, just simply select this button right here, this icon. This is the silence audio selection. Just simply select it, or you can just simply select Ctrl+L as well. This works the same. So you can do it multiple times on the same track using the same steps, and you're good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you next one.